Alright, today I want to show you how to use GimKit and play GimKit. GimKit is a game that we'll play. Sometimes it's just a class, sometimes you'll play it as a grade level. So what you would do is go to gimkit.com/play. Once you do that, then you're going to need a code. So it's going to ask you for a game code, which you're going to type in right here. My game code is 37192. You're going to click join, and then you have to wait for the teacher to put you in. It's also going to ask you for your name. Anytime we do that, make sure you put your name and use your real name, and also if we're doing it as a grade level, put who your teacher is. Alright, so I put my name in there, Mr. Rivers, join, and then you have to wait just a moment for the teacher to let you in. So once you're in, it's going to have different math questions. So here's our first one, 8 minus 4, that's 4. As you answer correctly, you'll get money. With that money you can shop, you can earn upgrades, and if you buy, for example, the streak bonus for $15, as you get more questions correct in a row, it's going to give you more money. You can also, if you go back to shop, you can get more money per question, a multiplier, you can get insurance in case you miss something wrong and you don't lose. You can also do these where you blur somebody else and you can choose to blur their screen. You can deflect in case somebody uses, but those are different things. Each game will be timed. If you want to get back out of that and get back to the game, you would click on that and you would go right up here, it's a little hard to see, to questions, and that'll get you back to there. So the games will be timed, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and at the end it's looking for whoever earned the most money. So 9 minus 9 is 0. Let me show you. So for example, if I get one wrong, you're going to lose money, and you're going to lose that streak as well. You can see your total up here. So that's how we'll play GimKit.